This time around, we're looking at the Hot Wheels copyright 1967 International Collector's Catalog. Now, although it's copyright 1967, we know this must be the 1968 catalog because that's when Hot Wheels came out. This is the catalog I really vividly remember most of all from my childhood. I had this catalog when I was a kid. I know that. I vividly remember this catalog. So let's take a look at it. Custom racing cars for collectors. Hot Wheels are the fastest metal cars in the world. Yeah, that was a huge appealing part of it. Miniature cars, California style. Yeah, I like the action drawings. Moving parts with the arrow with the hood lifting. That's great. And then it switches to a vertical format here for a while. The custom Cougar, the custom Mustang, custom T-Bird, the custom Camaro. These drawings seem somewhat stylized compared to the actual car. The lines seem exaggerated on them. Maybe that's just me, but that's how it seems. The Silhouette and the Diora. And those are two just classics. But these are all classics that we're looking at. The custom Barracuda and the custom Firebird. Again, the lines on the Firebird look really similar. They all have such a similar look in these drawings. The custom Fleetside. The Ford J car. The custom Corvette and the Python. California custom Dream Rod. Exposed supercharged chrome engine. The Beatnik Bandit and the custom Eldorado. Gotta love the Beatnik Bandit. Ed Roth. The Hot Heap and the custom Volkswagen. That's such a cool casting. I don't know why the Hot Heap, I don't know, it wasn't one of those that really attracted me all that much, while the Volkswagen did. At the same time, I love the Paddy Wagon, which you could say is very similar to the Hot Heap. Anyhow. Back to the horizontal format here, we have the Hot Wheels pop-up play sets. And I've mentioned before, I do not remember the pop-up play sets at all. Pops up ready for play, snaps shut for bookshelf storage. Pop-up play sets, 3D buildings. Pop-up service station, pop-up house and carport. Pop-up speed shop. The Hot Wheels Hot Curves race action set. See them streak away from the starting gate. Notice the collector's catalog was included in these things. And I think that's why I so vividly remember the catalog, is because you would get them various ways. No batteries or electrical current needed. Not AC, or wall plug. No batteries or electrical current. The Hot Wheels drag race action set. You gotta love the fonts that they're using on this too. Two Hot Wheels miniature metal cars with California custom styling. Yeah, that gate I remember that gate really well. The Hot Wheels stunt action set, let her rip down the strip into the Daredevil loop. And everywhere, Hot Wheels go faster, roll farther. Who do you think that was pointed at? Matchbox? Maybe? Hot Wheels strip action set. Watch him streak down the straightaway, sizzle over the humps. The humps being the books. Hot Wheels pop-up speedway action set. So it looks like they just included some track with a pop-up. Yeah, 20 feet of hot strip track. Add-on accessories, the Daredevil Loop Pack, Hot Strip Track Pack, Full Curve Pack, and Half Curve Pack. You remember the curves. Remember the loop, too. The 12-car rally case. Love that case. Such a cool case. The 24-car collector's case. Both of them snap shut to carry in store. Well, I hope so. Car's not included. Notice the rally car case, or the car rally case, excuse me, mentions that you can store Hot Wheels and matching collector's buttons, being the hole in the center. This one doesn't say anything about the buttons. The pop-up 12-car collector's case. For some reason, I don't know why, I'm kind of maybe remembering seeing this somewhere. Now that I see it with the storage on this one. And whoever had this catalog had their collector's log. Looks like they had the Diora in gold. And they got that October 10th. They had the custom Camaro in blue. Looks like they like erased the custom Cougar in gold. So either they messed up and put it in the wrong place, or they got rid of it or destroyed it. And they did what I would have done, like try and redraw the lines. Only, why use a ruler? So it's all squiggly. That's such a kid thing to do. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this look back at what I would have to imagine being the 1968 catalog as the first Hot Wheels catalog. Thanks for watching.